Hey guys, welcome back. Today in part 2 of date and time and the string, we will work on to add the UIDatePicker to our text field, which is accepting, a date and time. And as you will see, we will have a toolbar like this, that when we active our date or date entry text field, it will come up and it will get the date and time and put it in the same format we like in there. Yeah, there's always a link to our GitHub that you can find source code in there. Okay, so let's start the project. Actually, we already have a project that's from part 1. So what I do, I just go to source control navigator tab and come here, and I branch from, I already did that, so I click here, branch from that, and give it, so I gave actually it was master the main one, and I made this one. So it's already that one, and active current active one is UIDatePicker. So now I go back here and I start to add codes for adding UIDatePicker. So UIKit is good enough for that. The only things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a variable by the name of datePicker, which is equal UIDatePicker, and one parenthesis open and close means that it's gonna be run. And so it's gonna run initial of this and make this an initial. So then we will work on it. Also, I make a variable by the name of active date field, which is from type of UITextField, and I put exclamation mark, which means that it's not, shouldn't be empty. Then I will come and I add some function here. So what's the one? The first one, I name it show date picker. This one not gonna any parameter and not return anything, but inside that. So first of all, we gonna format date. So what gonna be? We just say our date picker dot date picker mode equal, yeah. So this one, it's gonna get one enumeration, which has these options: counter, down timer, only date and time. You can read all details here, and time. So I'll choose date and time, and also we just say datePicker.date. So what's gonna be date of actually entry date for starting point. So date gonna be active date field dot text dot to date. Actually, we if you remember, in previous one it was one function we wrote for text. So to date by format. So where we're gonna get format, input format dot text. So self dot input format dot text. if it was, but this is optional. We can make it, exclamation mark, which is a fast, really, solution. But the best one, the better one, is we put two double question mark, and here we can write down the default. So I write this. And time zone. So I'm not gonna go by that one, so I just remove the times. And the now we make up our toolbar. So on top of the date picker, we put a toolbar, and by this one we name it toolbar equal UI toolbar. So this toolbar, what gonna be? I can say toolbar dot size to fit. So size gonna be fit. Also, I just say let down button equal UI bar button item. So I think this one gonna be good option. Title, style, target, and action. Yes. So what gonna be title? Title, for example, we put done. Style dot plain target self, and what do you like to be action? So action gonna be selector and here gonna be function. I name it down date picker. I'll get error here because it's not declared yet, but let's continue. Okay, and we say let space. So this is going to be a space between these done and cancel. So space button equal UI bar button item, and yes, UI bar button system and target and action. Yeah. Yes, I choose this one. So this one is just empty space for filling out. So UI bar button item dot system item dot flexible space. Yeah, so it's gonna fill it out, as much as space we need. So target, no target, and no action. And the last one, I just say let's cancel button equal, let me copy from this one, instead of done, cancel date picker. Let me make this capital and this one capital as well. Yeah. And this one cancel. Yeah. So just say toolbar dot set items. Okay, it should be an array, so I'll just put like this. Done button first, then space button, then cancel button. So animated, I just say false, so I don't want animation on that. Okay, and the only things we need to do, we just say active date field dot input accessory view equal toolbar and active date field dot input view equal date picker. So input gonna be from our date picker. So this is our show date function. So we need a cancel button, we need a done button as well. So let me copy from this one. So Control C here, I just say function done date picker, nothing a parameter and nothing else. So also I need a cancel date picker function as well. So for done, I just say let formatter equal dateFormatter, and I just say my formatter dot dateFormat equal what? Equal self dot input format dot text, and if it was nil, we can put this one as a default, because whenever we read the one from one text field, this could be nil, so we need to think about when it's nil. And also I just say active date field dot text equal formatter dot string from datePicker dot date, and also we just say self dot view dot and editing gonna be true. And for cancel, it's easy. So you just say self dot view dot and editing true. So you will see for done we do some update, for cancel we do nothing. And also we need to write one IP action by the name of date entry get, for example, action input underline sender from type of any. So what we do here, we just say active date field equal entry date, and we say show date picker. Yeah, actually here I just add update as well. So when I done and I change the active date field text, then I want to update my other dates, for example tomorrow, yesterday, and whatever. And the only part I need to come and select this. Actually, yeah, come here, active this, then I have one function. So here date and entry get act. So just select this one. I just say editing did begin, gonna call this function. I got one error there. Let's see what's that. So this selector, yes, it's need to be add object. Even if you don't like to put add object, you can add action. Doing the same. Add IB action. So those two will go. Then I have only this one. So this one said value optional date must be unwrapped. So I did unwrap that one. Oh, you know what? This one should maybe come here. Let's see. Oh no. So here what we do, we make a date and put it here. What about it gets nil? So I just say if it was nil, pick up today date. Today and just now. Yeah, I think we are good now. And we have connect that one. Let me run it and see what's going on. Command R, or you can click here. So build failed because of what? Because of this. Cannot use optional change and non-optional values. So no. So here I got this active date field text converted to date, and yeah, if it's optional, we got this format or this format. Okay, so since that we run that one, you will see, yes, here we go, and so it's just update, nothing changed, but I can tab on this one and you will see we have our date picker. So for example, I choose Wednesday, July 1st. Also I changed hours from 3 a.m. to 5, and I tap on done. So you will see this one 5 and 1st of July that I changed. So now when I click, it's gonna pick date of I have here. Even I can cancel this one. Then as soon as I click this one, it's gonna start editing. So gonna call this. So I want to change this myself, and you will see gonna pick that one, August. So yeah, instead of 5 a.m. I just say make it 1 a.m. for example. Yeah, done. Everything changed, and here you will see now it's this one. Now time span is this. Next 30 minutes 1:48. past 30 minutes 0048 July 15. And yeah, we can continue to see tomorrow, yesterday, next week times. I put this timestamp to just show you that now time is 159480001. Next week 1595. So 1594 was 95. So this is future, and this is last month 1592. So this is past. So you will see that easily we can find that if they are smaller or bigger. So if we are in future or we are in past, and it's our date is, for example, expired, and easily by making timestamp of that, so we can compare it, and by this way we can change day and minutes in front and past. You will see that we put minus for past and plus for future. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up. Also, don't forget to be subscribed for watch next video which are coming, usually weekly. And if you have any question, please ask in comment below, and if you don't mind, you can answer to each other. I answer if there is a couple line of answer. If not, you need to wait. I'll make video usually for those kind of questions that need a video. And yeah, please make sure to watch our tricks. Next trick my offer gonna be seen here. Have a good one. Bye bye.